It's Friday. You know what that means. It's time for Tattoos of the Week and the latest in body piercing and content news, starting right now.
Working it. Yeah. All right, here we go. We're doing the thing. Hi, guys. I've got a tattoo this week. I didn't have one last week because I don't know why. We didn't do things last week. We were here.
I was sick.
DaVo was sick, that's why. And when DaVo's sick, everything just falls apart around here. So, anyway, let's see, what did I have? Okay, so the tattoo that I have for you this week is a memorial piece that we did for this fella. We did this in 2 sessions, somewhere around 5 hours, 6 hours. And yeah, we threw in, this was for his father in memorial. So we have some sprockets. He really was into cars and stuff. So got the sprockets in there with the piston. And he was a big hunter. So we got the shotgun in there, leaning up against the stuff. And got some dates in there with the, I like his idea with the 2 shells or cartridges, the one unspent cartridge with the birth date and the spent cartridge with the latter date. So yeah, I really thought that was a pretty neat idea and hopefully well executed. But yeah, thanks for checking it out, guys. Thanks. Bye. See ya.
DaVo here with the body piercing and content news of the week. Piercing, been busy, doing lots of piercings, meeting some interesting people, and enjoying what I do for a living. Also going through the process of training the Scott. She's starting to do some of her first piercings, which is exciting. And we're running a special to help her see more. Basically, it's $10 off on Mondays and Thursdays. You have to set up an appointment. Link is in the description to go directly there. It's also at the top of the booking part. If you'd like to get pierced, feel free to stop by. We do walk-ins when I have time available. However, be prepared to understand that if somebody set up an appointment, you're going to have to wait. If you definitely want to get in right away, and especially if you're traveling, it's always best to set up an appointment. To do that, go to axiom.com/booking. It'll take you through the process. If you're thinking about getting tattooed, you do need an appointment to get the process started. Send us an email at shop@skinkitchen.com, or you can go ahead and give us a call at 515-255-4430. Now let's move on to what we like to call content news, because we haven't been able to do one of these in a couple weeks due to sickness, people not being here. I was the one that was sick last week. It's kind of been a rotation around here. That flu or whatever is going around. I'm going to have to cheat and look at my phone. The audio-only version of tattoo scams, or tattoo and piercing scams, the Q&A in the Kitchen podcast, also the podcast went out wherever you can find podcasts. Then the next thing I put up was stretching piercings, or a guide to that, part of the New to Piercing series. Then we did another Q&A in the Kitchen. This one was about the 9-year-old kid that got tattooed in Arizona, tattooing and piercing kids. We talked about the ethics behind that, and etc. Then I put out a pros and cons video for angel bite piercings. You know, those piercings right here, for those that are thinking about getting that done. Good video to start. Then the audio-only version of piercing or tattooing and piercing kids came out. Also, it's wherever podcasts can be found. And then yesterday I posted the latest episode of New to Piercing. This one is talking to your partner about your piercings. Like if you're going to be intimate with them, kind of some of the things you need to discuss. And a lot of good advice in there for those new to piercing or new to that kind of situation. If you'd like to see any of these videos or the many thousands that we've done over the last 7 years, I guess, go to our YouTube channel. Link is in the description. While you're there, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every single time we post something. And of course, like this video, because that helps everybody. Makes you feel good too. Makes you feel warm and fuzzy.
Hey, what's up, guys? You know what it is? It's Valentine's Day, yay! Or happy Influenza Day, or if you're sick with the flu, or seems to be going around. Whatever you got going on, happy whatever it is. Hope you're having a good Friday. It's time for Tattoo of the Week and studio update and all that good stuff. This week, I finished up a piece on a young lady that we had started a while back. She had done like a half of a lion's face and some feathers and flowers and stuff. And we finished the lion's face, brought it all the way around, and she wanted to do like a negative cross and some flowers. So that finished up the bottom half of her arm. It's pretty neat. Give it a look, give it a see, give us critiques. Let us know what you think down in the comments down below. See if I made it line up and look like it's not two lions put together or if it's just one. Anyway, hope you like it. I had a lot of fun doing it. It was a really cool piece. Hope you enjoy it. And don't forget about DaVo over at Axiom Body Piercing, taking care of all them body piercing needs, poking them holes and putting the shiny stuff in it. Come on in and see what him and Scott are up to. They're always doing something. That says a print tie, I think. Anyway, hope you guys are having a good weekend, and we'll see you soon.
That's it. You are fully updated. Don't you feel good about yourself? You achieved something. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Till next time, here's hoping all your tattoos and piercings heal with ease and without a single issue. And if you're in the Des Moines, Iowa area, we would all love to see if you're tattooing your body piercing needs in the future. Have a good day, everybody. Take care, and we'll see you in that next video. Just stay warm. It's going to be cold for a while. I know we talk about the weather way too much on here, but, you know.